So today I'm working on the Ford Ranger. This is the one from the Ford factory, done in 98. And I got the batteries charged up. I'm going to give them a little juice. Our problem is it goes up to 45 or 40. And then, as you can see, our wheels spinning around. So we've had this problem for a while. We're trying to figure out what it is. This is what the battery pack looks like. Originally it was lead acid batteries, and now we have the Calb 100s. We also got a special board that spoofs it into thinking it's still got the original lead acid batteries. Here's under the hood. And back here is the motor and the motor controller. Nice setup.